Silver last week traded with little swings, hitting the lows at 31.50. We have seen it hitting the highs at $33 levels as well. Yes, the levels which we had seen almost 11 to 12 years back. Now, can we say that further bullishness is going to be there in silver in the coming week? Can we expect another bullish candle here? Or there is a possibility of a reversal? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading silver? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review, and if you're new to the channel, let me share that I update twice a day on multiple time frames, detailed review with entry points, take profits, and the reasoning behind the trade. Thus, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon. First update I always share with the Asia and Europe session, and next with the US session. Thus, press the bell icon, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And do not forget to like, share, and comment, friends. Let's start. Towards the end of this update, I'll pen down the levels so that you can trade profitably. Now, first, let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, beautifully, silver is taking the support from the 20-period moving average, and it is only to be treated bearish if it breaks below $31 levels. As long as it respects $31 levels, we should not be treating this as bearish. This is very, very. Also, if you look at the formation, look at the rise here. This was the sharp, and since then, silver is trading this in this flag formation here. Little swings here. Where are the highs of this channel? Now towards 33.50, $34 levels. Yes, if it breaches 33.20 levels, stay bullish. We are looking forward to 33.50 and in fact $34 levels, which are possible. But if you look at the daily charts, what has happened on the daily charts since last 4 candles? Higher lows are there, higher highs are there. Look at the last candle, a major swing is seen here, but it is closed almost at a flat note at 32.20. The important point to note here is the higher lows which it has delivered, and this also makes 31.50 levels as the first prime support and $31 levels as the next strongest support. It has almost hit a double top, and a reversal from here, a break below 31 can lead to stronger bearishness, but right now the momentum in silver is not supportive of such strong bearishness. As long as it stays above 31, we should not be treating this as bearish. If you look at the formation here, the moving averages have crossed over here, and these are trading with divergence. Since then, the divergence is increasing, moving averages are looking upwards, certainly signs of bullishness. But if you look at the formation, see, every rise follows with a retracement. Look at the rise here, then the retracement, then the rise. It could possibly retrace, and if it starts to retrace and trades below 31, you can say that the next target is going to be towards 30-20 levels. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. Hitting this zone, it can reverse immediately and achieve the highs. So this one possibility you should not ignore. But right now the stance is very much bullish. The stochastic is rising here. The MACD, it tried to cross over, but again is starting to diverge. So yes, it can keep moving towards the highs here, which means even if it delivers 2 to 3 bullish candles, we can see the levels at 34. Be watchful of this. Silver, I see still there is a room for a further rise. If you look at the RSI, this is also rising, which is again a good sign for the bulls. Coming to the weekly, if you look at the weekly charts here also, you can see higher lows, higher highs. Now, if it starts on a bullish note, and as I said, as long as it respects $31 levels in the coming week, we should not be treating this as bearish. This is very, very. Also, as it is creating steps, it appears we can see a similar size of candle very, very soon, which means in fact it can take the prices towards 34 or in fact 35 levels as well. Yes, breaking beyond 33 and 33.50 levels, we can see a round of massive move here in silver, which can take it to further highs. Be watchful of this, as on the weekly charts you can see after the rise it is retraced here, it is consolidated here, formed a nice flag, and it is now giving a breakout. So this breakout journey is going to continue, it appears. $34 level should be the next milestone, and then $35 levels the next strongest resistance. Possibility exists that we can see a move towards these levels very, very soon here, and that is why I say, as long as $31 levels are not taken, we should not be treating silver as bearish here. If you look at the recent move here, see, silver, the base created here same time last year, then the rise, then retracement, and see it is consolidated here for multiple weeks, then again a round of rise. It is consolidated here for multiple weeks and now giving a breakout. So this run might continue for a while from here, where the highs are in fact further beyond 35. We can see a stronger rise as well, where 38 or $40 levels in the near to mid term can be seen. But yes, that will also take the metals towards overstretched zone. And yes, we should also not forget that the gold is not supportive of such a rise. And thus, we have to be watchful how it behaves. First, if it breaks 33, and how it behaves at 33, 34, because breaking beyond this zone will lead to another round of stronger bull. So it appears that we can see a spike here in silver, though this is fourth green candle in succession. And in general, whenever you see such bullish move, chances of reversal also increases very high. If you look at the weekly stochastic, this is also come to overbought zone, but it is not that it cannot sustain this zone. Look at what has happened here. Despite modest bullishness, but it has sustained this overbought zone. However, look at the on the MACD, this is the first rise, then retracement for weeks, then the second rise and a retracement. It could take it towards the double top. And if it sustains this run here for at least, you can say, 6 to 8 weeks here, it can sustain this, hitting higher highs. If it sustains this bull run for 6 to 8 weeks, you can imagine the levels which we will be having for silver. Thus, I think it is a very, very good time for us to accumulate silver before it peaks. And once it peaks, then we'll see what to do. But yes, right now, I think there is scope for a further bull run in silver where the prices can stretch towards 36 or in fact higher levels. RSI rising, again, good sign for the bulls. Coming to the monthly, on the monthly charts, likewise, rise here. It is consolidated here for months, and now it has breached this channel here. See the rise here, then retracement, and this is for the near term. Rise here, retracement, and now breaking out here. Now look at last few months, you can find out a bit of retracement, then the first bullish candle has appeared, and now it is delivering second bullish candle, which indicates that in the month of October itself, we are looking forward to $35 levels in silver. Again, I am giving you a fair bit of advance intimation that now, as long as 31, or in fact let's include $30 levels as well, as long as $30 levels are not taken, you should not be treating silver as bearish. Again, every drop till towards 30 is an opportunity for us to accumulate here. Be watchful of this. And thus, in the coming week, when you see silver trading above 32, 40, 50, we can stay bullish 32, 80, 33, and then 33, 50 levels, and in fact 34 levels will be seen. And this is going to happen in a quick succession. Be mindful of this. Be watchful of this. This is second consecutive bull run, which is our bullish candle on the monthly charts, which is going to be there. We can see the bands are now starting to expand, and in all possibility, it can hit $35 levels this month. Stochastic rising, MACD divergent and bullish, looking upwards, and on the MACD also on the monthly charts, there is further scope for a stronger rise. RSI rising as well. Let's also look at the 4-hour. Now on the 4-hour charts, again, rise, retracement, and this is the second round of rise here. Now, where are the highs of this channel? The highs of this channel on the 4-hour charts are towards 33.50, $34 levels. And these are easily achievable level. Look what silver did in the last trading session. Look at these two candles, a low at around 31.50 and the highs at 33, all together in just two candles, one with the NFP data, and then we have seen it, a stronger momentum was delivered. We have seen it hitting 33, though closed at the critical support zone at 32.20 levels. So now once in the coming week, also look at this, now $32 levels have become a prime support, 31.80 the next, 31.50 the third, and then $31 levels the last. These are going to remain the prime stronger support here for silver on the downside. Any break below 31 is the only sign that you can say that the bears will take over, as it can keep on rising here. Possibly the first trading session will confirm the direction here for silver in the coming week. Stochastic has dropped a bit. Look at MACD. MACD after the crossover, it is still having some room for a further rise. Though if you look at the drop here was sharp, the retracement is gradual. The drop is sharp, the retracement is gradual. RSI comfortable. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I provide you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. This is the place where you get a safer environment for you to trade, easier transactions, easier with, and yes, joining to the link, you'll get the lowest spreads as well, such that you can save much of your fees which you're paying to your. Join today and enjoy trading. Now, first, let's talk about the levels to buy. Even if you see it at 32.30, buy, expect 32.50, 32.80, 33.10. Once it breaks 33.10, stay bullish. We are looking forward to 33.30 is there, but ideally I will be looking forward to 33.55. And once it breaks 33.55, stay bullish. $34 levels should be there very soon. Beyond $34 levels, stay bullish further. We can look forward to 34.40, 34.65 and 34.95 levels. Possible? Yes, it is bound to deliver a good run. Let's see if it gives you a breakout. A move beyond 33, 20, 33, 30 levels is where you can see another round of bull run here, where the direct lending is going to be towards 34 and in fact $35 levels. While on the downside, see, you should not forget that every coin has a flip side to it. And thus, if you're looking at the bulls, you should not forget that the bears are equally strong. And in a market, both the forces play out well. Only the absence of one force makes the other one stronger. And thus, as long as there are no sellers, you can say a bull run is there. While once the sellers come in, we can see a swing here. So now on the down, you can sell here at 31.95, expect 31.75, 31.50. Now once 31.50 is taken, here you can expect more bearishness towards 31.20 and 31. Now once 31 is taken is where the bears will kick in. Else, as long as 31 is not taken, we should not be treating silver as bearish. Below 31 is where we can look forward to 30.50 and $30 levels here. And below this is where it's a complete reversal. It is going to crash heavily, though the nearest support is at 29.75 and the farthest at 29. I do not see that happening though. I do not see this at this level soon. I do not see these levels as well. In the month of October, thus possibly as much as it drops, the chances of pullback will remain very high. Trade accordingly, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Do like, share, and comment. Do join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and do join the channel memberships on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend.